got is Jemima's witnesses.
Excellent.
Kids,
And now.
What the deuce are you staring at? It's tuna fish. And nothing else.
Family Guy, coming to Fox.